This is Karen with the Kine garden stuff. We've got the urban worm bag here with blue worms in it. Let's see how it is this month. There's condensation on one portion of the top, just on this side, which is interesting. There's some fungus gnats on the sides of the bag. Get some gloves on. See them coming out. Very interesting. Okay, let's check up on this. It's moist. Lots of worms. Oh, geez, Louise. I thought my other bag had the last of the experiments in here, but let's see. Let's check up on them. Just super moist in here. Oh, let's see. Lots of mites. And fungus gnats flying out. But I don't see any food, really. So, like the other one, I'm just going to dump this into the bag. It is not smelly. Nope, not smelly at all. But it's, I don't know. I don't know what to think about this. Did the worms go in and went back out? You know? Who knows? So, we are done with that. Oh. Looks like, oh no, it's a piece of string. I thought it was a worm that got stuck on the side there, but nope. Alright, there's some banana skins, banana peels, worms are working on. Some mites on it. But they're definitely working on, oh, there they go. Bye-bye. Sayonara. Hasta la vista. Alright, leave them alone. It's a lot of, I don't know what this is, but what is that? Bread? Oh, this is the burrito. Look at that. Just a bunch of fungus gnats, beetles, and mites on it. Look at that. Larva. Breakfast burrito. Let's break it up. And it does smell. That's where all the buggies are coming from, I guess. But underneath it me show you. There's a lot of blue worms. So they were getting the benefit of the burrito as well. Okay. So they are doing really good. Here's the rest of that piece of pie. Blackberry pie or whatever it was. Again, and right underneath it was a bunch of worms. Let's see if I can get them out here. Nice little worm ball. These guys do amazing work. Okay. Another banana peel that they're still working on. Let's see. Okay. I think I will try and let them finish up whatever they have because it's still stinky in here from the breakfast burrito and the the pie. And they're still working on the banana peels, which is great. And their numbers are growing, which is wonderful to see. There's some more banana top. So yeah, I don't think I'll feed them this week. They can, it's okay that they do without. One thing I do have though, let's see. I do have this compostable plastic bag. I put it in the microwave for probably 30 seconds longer than I needed to. I put it in for a minute and it started to melt into the plate. So if you get any of these compostable bags to get it ready to compost quicker than a year, then don't do what I did. Don't put it in the microwave for a minute. Put it in for 30 seconds. And it will take 4 months maybe to compost. So I'm just going to put that in there. Let's see. I'm also going to give them more ground eggshells. and coffee filter, a coffee filter for them, as well as some coffee. So that should be good enough for them. And on top of that, I'm going to put some moist bedding. Okay, that should be good. And I'll put the zipper back on and we'll leave this for another week. And thank you for coming on this journey with me.